What's up? I'm trying to make a spreadsheet to figure out what I'm doing wrong. Um, I don't know how to calculate any of this stuff, so I just went up until here. Like these were the two dates. Today's date, right? Is it the 17th? Hold on, hold on, hold on. Yeah, these were my position sizes, my entries and exits, the ticker, how much I lost per share. Really not that bad. A penny, 2 pennies a share. And wait a second, something is wrong. Wait a minute. This is 3 cents a share. Hold on, is that 3 cents? 3 cents? And this should be 19 cents a share. Yeah, let me just calculate this real quick. 213.5 plus 19.64. Oh, yeah. 213.5 plus 0.1964. Yeah. So I lost 3 cents a share and I lost 19 cents a share. Going long, and what I think happened. They broke VWAP, afternoon fade, got spooked, revenge trade. So yeah. That's all I have for now. Gonna try this, keep a log, see if I can make sense of anything, but it's probably gonna look the same, but maybe I'll get lucky. All right, bye.